Yo, you ever see someone make a wild stock move and think, man, that's stupid. How is that even working? Then a few days later, boom, they're rolling in cash. It's like the market just flips overnight. People staring at charts, scrolling social media, making moves that seem random, and then the payoff hits. Some call it luck, some call it chaos. But if you watch close enough, you'll notice patterns, behaviors, and opportunities that most people miss. Today, we're diving deep into this world, the hype, the momentum, and the street-smart psychology behind these so-called stupid trades. When everyone zigs, you zag. That's the real street-smart move. Wall Street loves trends, and hedge funds? They play by the rules, algorithms, and careful calculations. But retail investors? We see the crowd, we feel the fear, and sometimes we go rogue. That's where the opportunity is. It's not just rebellion, it's timing, instinct, and reading the emotion in the market. Some of the biggest gains happen when you go against the herd, trust your gut, and jump in before everyone catches on. But remember, it's risky. Do it smart, not reckless. Big investors, they play it safe. That's their job. But street traders? We jump when others are scared. That's how these so-called stupid trades often pay off. But listen, this isn't just luck. You gotta read the market, feel the fear in the crowd, and anticipate the reward. Jump too early and you might miss it. Jump too late and you're getting burned. The secret? Risk management, timing, and knowing when to hold or fold. Master that and you can ride these wild moves like a pro, even if it looks crazy to everyone else. Street investors don't wait for perfect reports or quarterly data. We trust our gut. The market doesn't always behave logically. Sometimes a post, a tweet, or a viral video moves stocks faster than any prediction. The key? Stay aware, trust your instincts, but keep it disciplined. Jump in at the right time, ride the momentum, and know when to step back. Your gut is your edge. If you use it wisely, it can turn chaos into opportunity. Momentum feeds momentum. One viral post, one hype video, and suddenly a stock jumps 20%, 50%, even 100% in days. Everyone's watching and FOMO kicks in hard. But here's the trick. Don't just follow the crowd blindly. You gotta anticipate, calculate, and know your limits. Ride the wave smart. Lock in gains where you can, and don't let hype blind you. That's how retail investors can turn a frenzy into profit without getting crushed. These so-called stupid trades break conventional rules. Analysts say don't buy. Hedge funds short it. But retail investors? We go all in. Risky? Absolutely. Rewarding? If you're smart, yes. It's all about timing, reading sentiment, and spotting opportunity. When the rules aren't moving the market fast enough, street-smart players exploit that gap. The key is not just breaking rules, but knowing when, how, and why. That's what turns chaos into opportunity and hype into profit. Here's the deal. Luck is definitely a part of the game. Sometimes things just line up and you catch a crazy spike. But luck alone won't make you consistent. The real players? They stack skill on top of that luck. Reading sentiment, timing your moves perfectly, knowing when to enter and when to exit. That's skill. And discipline? That's everything. Not letting greed, FOMO, or fear control your actions. Street-smart investors know that skill multiplies luck. You don't just hope for a big move, you plan for it, read the signs, and act when the opportunity is right. That's how you turn a so-called stupid trade into a calculated win. All right, time for some real talk. First, don't be scared to zig when everyone else zigs. That's your edge. Second, pay attention to emotions. Yours, the crowd's, the market's. Third, trust your gut. It's sharper than you think, especially when you've been paying attention. Fourth, manage your risk. Don't let a single move wipe you out. And fifth, ride momentum smartly. Anticipate, don't blindly chase. Small wins stack up and over time they become massive. Journal everything. watch patterns, and learn from each trade. That's how casual investors can play smart, beat hype, and even outsmart the pros. Use your brain, use your instincts, and stay disciplined. So yeah, those so-called stupid trades, they aren't always dumb. They exploit psychology, herd behavior, and momentum in ways most people can't see. The smart ones? They use it as an advantage, read the crowd, trust their instincts, and manage their risk. Every trade, win or lose, is a lesson. Play smart, trust your gut, respect the risk, and maybe, just maybe, you'll hit your own home run. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the craziest trade you'd make if you had the guts? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe, and keep rolling with us. Trading isn't just numbers, it's street-smart moves, strategy, and instincts all in one. Let's get it.